Okay, so while the printer is in ready mode, we will unplug the power cable at the back of the printer. Then open the tray halfway and turn back. Plug again the power cable. Okay, just wait for a while. This is how to enter the diagnostic mode. When you see this logo, close the tray. Just wait for a while. Then select diagnostic mode, then boot. Okay, we are now in the diagnostic mode.